Good evening. I hope everyone is doing wonderful this evening. My name is Wendy Lee, and I am joining you from my studio. So I hope everyone is enjoying their wonderful time. So anyway, I wanted to talk with you about the January I'll Be Yours paper pumpkin kit in case you missed it. I'm excited about this kit. It makes some really super cute projects. So there are little note cards with envelopes. And then there are these super cute little treat bags as well. It's just so sweet. So you can use this kit for Valentine's, for anniversary, for love, for wedding, lots of great different things. So let's open the kit and I'll show you what came in it so that you can see all of those goodies. Okay, so we're going to open this up. So I've already torn... Whoops. I've got volume on. Sorry, on my computer. Turn that off. I apologize. So I'm going to open the kit up. I've already torn into my kit. I never wait. It comes in the mail and I open it right away because I get too excited about it. So I'm going to open this up, and each kit comes with an exclusive stamp set. And then you've got your instruction sheet, and that will show you how to put together the projects as they were designed. So that doesn't mean that's what you have to do with it, but it does make it super, super simple. This box is very convenient to take with you to go. You can take it with you to go visit someone in the hospital, which is great, kids' sporting events, doctor's offices, you know, anytime that you've just got some downtime. Maybe you're going to the beach for the weekend, relaxing, and you want a little crafting time as well. This makes it super easy to grab this box real quick and take it with you. So I really like that about the kits because it has everything that you need in it. Maybe you grab some scissors and some additional adhesive. So, okay. So I am going to show you, this kit came with these super cute treat bags. And it's got the note cards, the envelopes, some embellishments, the adhesive, some twine, and this mint macaron Stampin' Spot, and then all your little die cut elements that you just punch right out of the paper. So all kinds of goodies come in your box, everything that you need. So one thing that I do that is exclusive for my subscribers is that I offer a tutorial bundle each month. And I'm going to show you some samples that I've got to share. And some of these are in the tutorial bundle and some of these have been presented at a class. But this first one was one that I shared on my blog, I think just yesterday, maybe today. What day is this? Thursday. It's Thursday. So today. This one was shared on my blog today. So really fun, changing up the colors a little bit and making a full-size card with just items from the kit. Okay. This one is going to be shared next week. This was the project that my class attendees that are Paper Pumpkin subscribers with me got to make as a bonus card at my Forget Me Not card class. So this will be shared and posted next week. And then I've got a few others. These are just a sampling of some of the alternate tutorials. Blah. So this is cool. It's all embossed, real pretty. And then we've got this mint macaron with the layers on that. Hopefully you can see all that. And that's really different. Don't you like that, how we mixed it with the butterfly set? And then one more. Love that with the honeybee. Hopefully you can see those okay. So I don't do really well with the comments, so I will try to make sure I go back after the live and see if there's any comments or questions on anything. So if you're not yet a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, the kit coming up in February is exciting as well. They're always exciting. I love them all. But it is called Celebrate a Lovely Day, and it will be all about love. So it's versatile, it's elegant, and it's the perfect way to help you celebrate birthdays and other great occasions. So this kit is going to coordinate with the Happy Birthday to You stamp set that is part of the exclusive celebration offering that's going on now. So if you don't know what Celebration is one of our best promotions of the year. With Celebration, you earn products out of this little catalog here for free with your qualifying orders. So as you hit $50 increments, you can get level 1 rewards, and if you hit $100 increments, you can get level 2 rewards, if you choose to, or you can get multiple $50 rewards, however you want to do it. But it is cumulative, so you get to choose all kinds of really great products. But the next kit, which I'm super excited about, is going to coordinate with that Happy Birthday. Well, let me find it. This one. This Happy Birthday to You stamp set. We currently have dies available for purchase that coordinate with this stamp set as well. So it's really exciting to see Stampin' Up! Coordinate all of this product together. Hey, Ginger. Okay, so you can subscribe to Paper Pumpkin a couple of different ways. So with Celebration going on right now, I like to encourage people to do a prepaid subscription so that you can earn free Celebration items as well. So you can do a prepaid subscription. Once you do a 3-month subscription, you earn Celebration products because it is a $63 order. If you do a 6-month subscription, it's $114, and that saves you $1 per month, and that gives you 2 level 1s or a level 2 Celebration reward. The best deal of all, of course, is the 12-month subscription, which gives you 4 level 1 Celebration items or 2 level 2 Celebration items, and it is $220, so you also earn host rewards. So that's additional free dollars to spend on the products of your choice. It's really great. Awesome. I love it. Now, if you're not ready to jump in and do a prepaid and you don't want to earn all the extra free stuff, you can do a month-to-month subscription. It is just $22 a month. Shipping is included. Tax does get added on. So, lots of fun and exciting things. I'm going to bring these alternates back in. And again, these are just a sampling of some of the alternates that my subscribers will get in a bonus tutorial. I do have a private Facebook group where they are have access to all the tutorials for not only the current month's kit, but all the past kits as well. So there is printable inserts for each kit that you can add into a stamp case. I post all my alternate ideas. Lots of great stuff. So if you have any questions, just let me know. I will post the link to get you started with being a subscriber with me below the video. And again, if you have questions, just let me know. Thanks so much and have a great evening. I'm so glad that you were able to join me. Bye.